of your air conditioning or heating system, also known as HVAC, is to provide a healthy and comfortable living environment for you and your family. When it comes to your HVAC system, Van Meter covers your first year completely. The second year covers for workmanship only, which means if something was installed improperly or was missing. It does not cover mechanical failure, refrigerant, service, and labor costs. The manufacturer's warranty for your HVAC system covers the following parts for 10 years: the furnace, the outside unit HVAC, and the coils. We provide this information to you on or after settlement. Your manuals can be found next to your furnace in your mechanical room. After 1 year, Van Meter does recommend that you enter into a service agreement with area suppliers to help maintain your HVAC system for years to come. You can find more information by contacting the original contractor listed on the furnace and/or contact a contractor of your choice.